I'm going to take you through the cases of COVID-19 in the country as of today. This morning, the numbers that has come in from the Health Ministry. We're looking at active cases in the country today, close to 3 million. 29,78,709 cases. Those are the active cases as we see today. Let's take you through the death toll. We're looking at the death toll in the country that now stands at 2,01,187. This is in totality the number of people who've lost their lives in the country to COVID-19, and the recovered numbers on the whole so far since the pandemic began now stands at 1,48,17,371. These are the numbers that's come in from the Health Ministry as of this morning. We're looking at a serious surge in COVID-19 cases surpassing global records. The last 24-hour tally is indeed shocking. As the country is now battling the pandemic, there have been various instances of attacks on doctors by COVIDians across the nation. Let's take a look.
These doctors, nurses and other frontline workers have been working round the clock to fight the invisible enemy. But these saviors of lives are coming under attack. On Tuesday, in Apollo Hospital in the national capital, family members of a patient assaulted doctors and nurses and vandalized the hospital after a woman lost her life. They were upset over the non-availability of ICU beds.
We are all in this together. Because of an incident that happened today, a devastating incident maybe for one person's life should not come in the way of, spoiling the chances of access to care for other patients. Today we had that. There was some bits of vandalism, some destruction of property, and because of that we had to shut down parts of our services for some period of time before we restarted them. So it is our humble appeal to please support us, to support doctors and frontline workers.
In Gujarat's Rajkot, a doctor and an employee at Satkar Hospital were beaten up by the attendants after they were denied beds. The incident was caught on the CCTV camera of the hospital. The hospital administration filed a police complaint against the family of the deceased. In another shocking incident from Uttar Pradesh's Meerut, a doctor was beaten up after he refused to visit a local councillor's residence due to the heavy caseload at his OPD.
घटना ये हुई, यहाँ के वार्ड 6 के सभासद जी हैं, वो जो है घर पे वोट देखने के लिए बुला रहे थे कि जो है मुझे घर पे आके देखो, यहाँ पर मरीज ज़्यादा थे, ओपीडी में मैं गया नहीं.
His clinic was damaged by the family of the councillor.
मुझे कोरोना का थोड़ा शक था उन पे, इसमें ने जो है जाने से मना किया उन्होंने और उनके परिवार ने आके मेरी दुकान में तोड़फोड़ करी.
A similar incident took place in Bihar's Buxar, where a deceased patient's relatives got angry and thrashed a doctor.
जी मेरे साथ पेशेंट के परिजनों ने दुर्व्यवहार किया है, मुझे चोट भी लगी है. वजह था कि पेशेंट गैस्पिंग कंडीशन में से रेफर हुआ था. हमारे डॉक्टर ने उनको देखा, जब हाथ बगी तो मैंने खुद उनको देखने के लिए मैं गया, तब तक पेशेंट का मतलब डेथ हो चुका था. तो उन्होंने गाली गलौज और मारा पीट कर जी.
गीता देवी आई थी, सीवियर स्थिति में थी. अभी डॉक्टर्स ने बताया कि उनका SpO2 लेवल 54% था, बहुत सीवियर स्थिति में आई थी. और वहीं उनको देखा डॉक्टर संतोष कुमार ने, और उसको देखने के बाद हमको लगता है कि 3, 4, 5, 10 मिनट में वो एक्सपायर कर गई. डॉक्टर सुधीर देखने गए तो पता चला कि वो लोग मारपीट करने लगे उनके साथ. यही घटना घटित हुई. अभी उसमें एक प्राथमिकी दर्ज हुई है और 2 लोग अरेस्ट हैं.
Working in PPE kits, staying away from their family members for weeks at times. They have sacrificed a lot to save lives, hundreds of thousands of lives. They are our saviors. Learn to respect them. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.